YouTube, it's your girl Maya Shay, and you already know if there's a new intro, then obviously it's a new video, period. And today I'm feeling a little spicy, so I'm gonna give y'all a video on how to whine. Why am I giving you this video? Because for one, your girl's Belizean, grew up in a Belizean household, been to Belize a majority of time, so you know I got some moves, you feel me? Two, I think I can dance. I want to know if y'all think I can dance. So if y'all think I can dance after watching this video, comment below, and please don't subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like, check out the aesthetic YouTube. You know what's going on. You know what's going on.
My name is Candy and I'm Maya's bestie. It's nice to meet you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hello, my people. It is your flies guy around. Hunter Love.
And that's it. Hey YouTube fam, so let's jump into this video. I'm having a how to whine tutorial, and today I got two special guests with me. You feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys 5 easy dance moves and see if you can follow along at home, okay? Okay, so I had to roll my pants down so y'all know it's game time. Like, it's gonna get serious out here, so let's get it. So for the first move, I'll be showing you guys how to whine. There's 2 types of whines. You can whine in big circles and go very slow, or you can whine in small circles and go really fast. And basically, you're just moving your core around in a circle, and you're making sure the top part of your body is still. You can incorporate hands. I like to do that. But yeah, let's get some guests. All right,
We're gonna be slow.
we're back at it. All right. Okay, so I'm showing you guys big circles, slow whine, okay? So you're rolling your abdominal in big circles. It's a large, circumference, and you're just rolling it slowly. Once you get good, you can do the other side, the other way. But beginners, just focus on one side, okay? Now, let me show you the fast whine. So you're moving your hips in small circles, and you're moving it fast, okay? Fast. This is called the fast whine. I got that? Let's do it with some music. Slow. All right, slow whine. Let's get it. Pick it up. Fast whine. So now I'm introducing the Bruki. So basically what you want to do, it's basically a twerk. You know how you just pop your butt up and down? That's all it is.
What?
She
make
just
it easy.
pop it to the beat. 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 Okay? Demonstrations. Demonstrations.
Okay.
Pop it to the beat. Pop it. Pop it to the beat. Pop it to the beat. All right. So, okay, this is Bruki part 2, and basically all you're doing is popping twice on each side. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna turn around. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? It's that simple. Let's do it with some music.
Oh, can we do a face?
Can I turn sideways? Okay, so now I'm showing y'all the Bruki that you do 2 times on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's get the music. Yeah. next move is called the money shake. I mean, y'all probably already know this one. It's the stripper's favorite move, you feel me? When you just shaking it and bending over. That's it. And I just like to, you know, change elevation while doing this. And that's all to it. So let's do it with some music. So this next dance is called the hot walk, okay? So it's basically like the Bruki, you know, popping your back, but you want to act like you just dipped your hand in some hot water and you shaking it off like it's hot, like you just burnt yourself, like, okay? So yeah, that's the hot walk. Come on, y'all. Oh shit. Hot walk. Hey, you can do 2 hands. I like to bite my finger. Oh. You can bend over. Freestyle. All right, let's do it with some music. Yeah. For this move, this one's called the one drop. And basically, I want you guys to imagine that, you know, you're stomping, you're in the army, you know, you're stomping, but turn to the side, bend over just a little bit, and stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can also pop on each side, you know, it don't matter how many you do, just stomp on the left side and stomp on the right side. So 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right. Let's get some music. 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right. Okay, y'all, this is our bonus round. We're gonna freestyle for y'all, you feel me? So you can see the authentic Caribbean moves. Period. Let's get it. This Deuce kicking in, by the way. Yes, like I mentioned before, comment in the comments if y'all think we can dance, you feel me? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and tune in next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all later. I sound out of breath.